Magandang tanghali po sa atin lahat. So, andito po ako ngayon to represent the Muslim youth community in UP Diliman and also in the whole Philippines. Yung UP Muslim Students Association po ay nakikiisa sa campaign ng College of Mass Communication and the rest of the Filipino people na to call for justice sa nangyari ng Patuan Massacre. We highly condemn the injustice na nangyari sa ating mga media men, and also we highly condemn the lack of justice doon sa nangyari nga po sa Maguindanao. Nung nangyari to last 2009, mas naging clear yung line ng discrimination against Muslim Filipinos kasi parang yung act of violence ay inequate nila doon sa pagiging Muslim ng mga involved, diba? Kasi yun, victims and suspects alike, there are Muslims involved. Pero we, as part of the UP Muslim Student Association, we highly condemn what happened, and that we firmly believe that what happened was un-Islamic and that it wasn't in any way connected to the religion we believe in. So, gusto lang po natin i-stress dito na yung nangyari sa Maguindanao, the Patuan Massacre was actually not an isolated case. Every day may mga namamatay po tayong mga kababayan, mga kapwa Pilipino dahil sa pag-voice out nila ng kanilang mga karapatan, pag-voice out nila sa kanilang mga hinaing doon sa ating gobyerno. So yun po, yung this culture of impunity actually is very systemic. It is really imbibed in our present system, and I stand that as a Maro youth, I do not want to inherit this kind of system. So yung UP Muslim Students Association po, I continuously nakikisa sa ating mga campaigns against human rights violations, against political prisoners, extrajudicial killings, and forced disappearances. So in line with our with this week for the commemoration of the Maguindanao Massacre, we have this program sa AS that will be at around 5 p.m. So it will be a silent march, and then makikisa tayo dun sa candle lighting ng Tulong Kabataan. And asahan niyo po na yung UP Muslim Students Association ay kaisaan ng College of Mass Communication dun sa kanyang campaign every year for this. So yun, maraming salamat po.